Some see horizons. We see opportunities. Here, under the living skies of the Canadian prairies, your potential has no limits. We don't just study the future, we change it. Ranked #1 in Canada for research quality in psychology and in the top 100 worldwide. From carbon capture and water resources to business management and engineering, this is where curiosity finds its purpose. Why wait to start your career? We pioneered co-op in Western Canada, with students earning over $10 million annually and a proven track record of career-ready graduates. You don't just graduate, you launch. Live where you can thrive. In one of Canada's most affordable cities, with the country's lowest rental rates and safe, convenient, on-campus housing, your ambition pays off. Plus, our provincial graduate retention program offers up to $24,000 in tax credits to accelerate your future. You are never a number here. With one of Canada's best student-to-faculty ratios, you'll find mentors and friends from over 100 countries who know your name and celebrate your story, from Regina to the world. Join a global network of alumni leading change in over 100 countries, from engineers to ambassadors. Your path to leadership starts here. Go far in your career. Go far in life. Go far together with the University of Regina.